How to track lost phone using IMEI number. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see whether we can track our phone using IMEI number or not. Well, you cannot track it directly using your IMEI number from your home, as it is not that easy as it seems. So you will have to file the complaint with the police in your country or in your area. After that, police will be able to help you out. And in order to file the complaint, just type CIR on Google, then open up the official website. After that, you will find the option of block stolen lost mobile. Just click on it, then scroll down, and over here you need to provide your mobile number and also IMEI number. And if you have the dual SIM mobile phone, then provide second IMEI number, then provide other details related to your lost mobile, and this way police will be able to help you out, as police uses triangular method in order to track your phone, and only the companies will be giving out information to police, and they might not give the information of your phone's location to you that easily. So it's better to file the complaint with the police and let the police handle it up. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.